Stop. Before you sign that $2,500 repair order or trade your car in for a fraction of its value, you need to see this. Most mechanics call the P0420 code a death sentence for your vehicle. They'll tell you the precious metals inside your exhaust are gone, and your only choice is a massive bill. They're wrong. In the high-stakes world of Japanese vehicle inspections, where a single failed emission test can end a car's life, engineers don't start by replacing parts. They start with thermodynamics. There is a specific 10-minute sequence that uses your engine's own internal heat to resuscitate a clogged converter. No tools, no chemicals, and $0. If your car feels sluggish or that orange light is staring you down, this isn't just a trick. It's an engineering bypass. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Your catalytic converter isn't just a pipe. It's a living chemical reactor. Inside is a ceramic honeycomb coated in platinum and rhodium. Its only job is to burn toxic gases. But here is the industry secret. Modern driving is killing these units. Short trips to the store, idling in traffic, and low RPM cruising never allow the unit to reach its light-off temperature of 600 degrees. What happens? A layer of carbon soot coats those metals. It's like trying to run a marathon while breathing through a wet towel. Your car isn't broken. It's suffocating. Now, before we get into the high RPM thermal cycle, we have to talk about the maintenance gap. Most owners focus on the engine but completely destroy the rest of the car because they follow common sense instead of engineering. For instance, if you think a bucket of soapy water and a sponge is the right way to clean your car, you are actually micro-scratching your clear coat into oblivion. After you finish this exhaust hack, you need to watch my breakdown on why you're washing your car wrong. And it's slowly destroying the paint. It'll save your exterior the same way this hack saves your engine. This video link in description. In Japan, they practice Kaizen, constant improvement. Technical service bulletins often describe regeneration cycles for filters and catalysts. The hack we are discussing exploits a loophole in your car's engine control unit, ECU. See, your car is programmed for fuel economy. It wants to shift early. It wants to keep the RPMs low. This is great for your wallet at the pump, but it's a slow poison for your exhaust. By manually overriding how the car breathes for just 10 minutes, we can induce a sustained thermal event. This isn't just driving fast. We are going to chemically blister the soot off the honeycomb walls using oxygen-rich lean burn cycles. Before you attempt the 10-minute cycle, you have to know if it's even possible to save. The rattle test. Take a rubber mallet. Give the converter a light tap. If it sounds like a box of rocks, the ceramic has shattered. This hack won't fix a physical break. The sluggishness. Does the car feel like it's pulling a trailer? That's back pressure. That is a dormant clog. That is exactly what we are going to incinerate. The goal here is to push the internal temperature just past the normal operating window. We want to reach the self-cleaning zone, a place your car hasn't been in years. Find a stretch of open highway. You need 10 minutes of uninterrupted movement. The thermal soak, minutes 0 to 3. Drive normally until the engine is at full operating temperature. Never do this on a cold engine, or you risk thermal shock. The manual override, minutes 3 to 8. Shift your car into sport or manual mode. You need to hold the engine at 4,000 to 4,500 revolutions per minute. You aren't speeding. You're just staying in a lower gear, usually third or fourth. This creates high-velocity exhaust gas that acts like a pressure washer for the internal honeycomb. The oxygen pulse, minutes 8 to 10. This is the Japanese secret. While maintaining that high RPM, lift your foot completely off the accelerator for 5 seconds, then merge back into the power. This pumps fresh atmospheric oxygen into the hot converter. Oxygen is the catalyst that turns soot into gas. If you do this correctly, You'll often notice a sudden surge in power around the 8-minute mark. That's the back pressure clearing. That's the towel being lifted from your car's mouth. The automotive industry is built on selling you new parts, new sensors, new cars. But as an engineer, I can tell you, physics doesn't care about marketing. Most of the time, your car just needs to be driven the way it was designed to be driven, hard, hot, and with purpose. If that check engine light stays off, you just saved yourself a mortgage payment. Don't let it happen again. Keep that engine breathing and go watch that video on why you're destroying your paint, because there's no point in having a perfect engine if the body is rotting away. I'll see you in the next one.